What's going on, YouTube? Thanks for tuning in today. Today I wanted to go over my little winch setup here I have on my TRX-4. So basically I just got the receiver. It's been on back order for a very long time. I just got it. And I want to show you how I set it up on my TRX-4 to make it work the best. The main reason I went with this winch receiver is because it can operate off a 3S LiPo, and so can your receiver. So I have it directly wired into my XT90 connector in the power source. That's going to give you the most voltage, which will ultimately give you the most power. You can also unplug it if you need to. And then to the winch, I have all my wires tucked in, zip tied down nicely up to the winch. Now the winch is pretty powerful. It looks really good. It looks pretty scale. And we'll do a little demonstration here for you here in a second. But yeah, that's how I wired mine up. If you have any questions, just leave a comment and I'll help you to figure out what you need to figure out down below. I just stuck this on here with two-sided tape. It works pretty good. It's not going to come off very strong. So that's how I did my winch setup in my TRX-4, and let's go test it out real quick. Alright, so this is the first little test here. I want to see if it can pull this thing straight up in the air. I got it hooked up here. Hopefully it doesn't pull that off there. But let's just see if it can pull this thing up off the ground. Alright, so basically you have your TRX-4 here, and your winch set up already on because the power's plugged in. So it's going to be on all the time unless you unplug it. And you have this insane surface you come across. It's like straight up, and it's pretty slick. And I don't think the TRX-4 can make it up this, but we'll try. So here we go. Oh my gosh, yeah. It ain't going to be able to make it up it. So you say, oh crap, what do I do? So, take your handy dandy Warren controller and you're going to let the line out. So, we'll do this. I'm just going to, I guess, hook it right here. Hook it to any spot you can find. Hook it on the edge like that. Now you're hooked. You got your line good. All the way down to your TRX. Just like that. Now, this is where the fun begins. Pull yourself up. And we've made it. And that is why you have a winch on your TRX-4. And then to just let yourself down, just hit the other button. Drag brake kicking in a little bit. And there you have it. That is how the winch works on a TRX-4. That's how I have mine set up. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment down below. But I think this winch is pretty sweet. It pulls it up there, no problem. Almost a straight up and down surface right there. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Until next time, thanks for watching.